Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2004 Jaguar XJR. 4.8 liter supercharged V8, 390 horsepower, 399 pound-feet of torque. Oh yes. Now I will say the battery on my camera is running low and I didn't bring a spare. So if this video cuts out abruptly, that's why. I got 36%, so we should be good, I hope. Now that I just jinxed myself, it's whatever. But XJR, this is the mob boss Jaguar. It is the competitor, of course, to the S-Class, but this one is an S-Class with sass. That's weird, but it came to my mind, I'm gonna say it. I've always loved Jaguar's performance product. I almost bought an F-Type R. I just love them. I love the character, just the feeling. You feel like a villain in a Jason Statham movie. You feel like a Bond villain driving one. And that's because Bond villains have typically used Jaguars. Although Bond did use a Jaguar as well, so I guess the feeling's mutual on that one. 0 to 60 in 5 seconds flat. And a supercharger whine that competes with the Terminator Cobra. Yeah, it's special. I cannot explain to you how comfortable this is, how quiet it is, how isolated everything is. And then you lay into the throttle and whee! There's the supercharger. And it is so... it's like waking up a lion from a nap. It's... it's like, all right, so we'll expand that analogy. Jaguar cat, cool. It's like waking up a ferocious cat from a nap. When you're just cruising around town, this drives like a Rolls Royce. It's just smooth, comfortable, quiet. But then you poke it. You're like, hey, hello, anybody home? Who's there? You poke it, and all of a sudden you're being attacked with torque and horsepower. God, I'm so freaking corny and I hate it, but you know what? Whatever, you guys are watching it anyway. This is just... obviously, I'm not on a track. I'm not driving it. It's not my car. I'm not driving it to find the limits of the platform. But what I am doing is I'm driving it how I would drive my own car. In commuting, in everything like that, it's exactly what I'm looking for. You feel rich, you feel sophisticated. It's hard to explain. And the spec on this one, oh, the dark ruby red with the tan interior, it's perfect. And yeah, this one's only got 46,000 miles on it and is about as pristine as you can imagine. Man, you know, being old, I believe this is a 5-speed. Yeah, it's a 5-speed automatic. I have to say, even if this had a dual clutch, I would prefer this. Even, or I should say, even if you could put a dual clutch in this, one of the new modern automatics, this suits the character of this car because it just lazily shifts, it's smooth. You know, it's one of those typical mid-2000s torque converter autos, just smooth until you gun it, and then it's like, what? It's so... it's hard to explain this car. you know, I've only been in it for about 20-30 minutes, and I've fallen head over heels for it. The supercharger whine, it's so addicting. You know, the supercharger whine's why I bought my Hellcat a couple years ago. I just couldn't get enough of the supercharger whine, and it's why I want a Terminator Cobra, but I don't want to pay 40 grand for one. I also don't have 40 grand to pay for one, but you know what? That's besides the point. It's just cool. And now after driving this, yeah, the Terminator Cobra is special and everything. I don't know, I might want to buy one of these, because this is everything the Terminator Cobra is not. Sophisticated, comfortable to drive. If you ever driven a Terminator, how's that clutch? Yeah, exactly. This is everything that car isn't. But what it does have is that character, the supercharged V8 engine. This one's a 4.8, the Terminator used a 4.6, but they're pretty similar. Come on, camera, don't die on me now. We almost there. Oh. And then once you do start driving more aggressively, this transmission is actually one of the best mid-2000s 5-speeds I've driven, because it holds the gears. It does what you want. It's very, very impressive for the age of this car, which this thing's 22 years old. Darn, that's that's a realization hit right there. Golf R. I love this thing. This is very cool, very special. Wow. Man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.